Okay, in the yard for this afternoon we have got an Ifor GD105, a 10x5 general duty trailer, direct main dealer PX. We just towed it back with no issues whatsoever. All the ID plates and everything are there. It's a really well looked after trailer. I like to say things like everything being greased up on there. There's loads of signs of grease. These things are often left to just rust away. All the brakes are working as they should. It's got the intact breakaway cable, the jockey wheel's straight and not all bent. Good solid floor, some signs of use. Tyres are all fantastic. All the lights are working. Mudguards are still straight. Again, these have all been greased up regularly. Got the light guards on, which are optional extras. And more signs of greasing and looking after over there. Drop down ramped entrance tailgate. There you go. Very tidy trailer, ready to go to work. Wants nothing but using. Brake demonstration. So this trailer's rolling freely and we've got the front wheels off the floor. And this is how we're going to show you that everything works. So these ones are all spinning nicely here. I'll get it going for you. I'll put the brakes on. And you see that stopped. I can no longer push this trailer. And we'll do the other side. So demonstrating the brakes on the other side as well. Again, this is free. The trailer's moving. We'll get that spinning for you. Get the brakes on and it stops. Can't move the trailer. Let the brake off and it's working. Make sure every trailer you look at showing you all four brakes working.